All right, so Michael, now we're gonna make the sauce for our Peppery Cole Slaw, and it's an orange chili vinaigrette. What we're gonna need, Michael.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, it's kind of hot because I'm using a chili oil in it.
Well, I know I like it.
So you'll like it, All right, so what I need from you is about a teaspoon of orange zest.
Okay.
And as we get things measured out, we're just gonna throw it right here into the blender. So that'll probably be about half that orange. And I need 2 tablespoons of lime juice.
Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar.
2 teaspoons. All right, and I'm gonna measure this out and see if I've got 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And there's 2 with a little drop left over. So in that goes.
And a half a cup of orange juice.
Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So we got the mustard going on, don't we?
It's gonna be spicy.
Yeah. It's gonna be so good. All right, now here comes the little kick, y'all. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of a chili oil.
Then 1/3 of a cup of olive oil.
All right, and we're gonna wait and turn.
We'll put that in while it's going?
Yeah, we're gonna turn the blender on. And then I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of cumin, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper. So we're just gonna carefully drizzle that all into our blender. I'm gonna try to keep it from coming out on your pretty shirt. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna turn it up. Okie doke. So that gets that. You want to taste?
Yes.
And this is real, real thin, Michael.
That's good.
Look.
Love it?
Ooh, it's hot. All righty, so we're just gonna cover this, Michael, put it in the refrigerator and let those flavors marry together. Okay, y'all, the guys are out at the grill and I'm gonna be finishing up our coleslaw. You know, I made this sauce for it earlier and it's a coleslaw with an orange chili vinaigrette. Sounds real good, doesn't it? A little bit different. Now I'm just dicing up 1 red bell pepper and I'm gonna throw that in. This is gonna give it a lot of pretty color, y'all. Now I have used 1 16-ounce package of pre-shredded cabbage that you can find in the produce section at the grocery store. You know, there's a lot of little shortcuts that you can do out there. This is one of my favorite shortcuts. It's as good as if I had stood up here and grated that whole cabbage by hand. And look what that red bell pepper is gonna do to it. Now, everything's a little spicy today because, you know, I'm with a couple of spicy men, one of them being Michael. So I'm gonna take a jalapeno that I've already diced up, and I took the seeds out of that, and now I'm gonna dice up 1 poblano. Like I said, this is gonna have some kick to it, y'all. Ooh, it smells so fresh and earthy. I love the crispiness that this gives the coleslaw, that crunchy. Now, I've got a good bit of our vinaigrette, y'all. I don't know how much I'm gonna need of it, so I'm gonna go kind of slow because, you know, dressing goes a long way on coleslaw. Just gonna kind of toss that. So this looks pretty good, y'all. Now, I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of cracked black pepper. I just love the way the pepper looks in it. Looks delicious.
Hey, Paula.
Hey, guys.
How are you?
Gosh, great. That didn't take long.
It didn't.
Hey, Jimmy.
How you doing, Paula?
It's so good to see you, dear. How's everything in Vidalia, Georgia?
Fine, fine.
Good.
I love it when Jimmy visits because he shows me how to cook on my new grill.
I know.
And I love that grill better than any grill.
I know it. He loves that grill, Jimmy.
Not more than you.
No, not more than me, I don't think. Well, we've got us a wonderful lunch now. Yum, that looks delicious.
Doesn't it?
Dig in. Tell me what you think. How y'all like the coleslaw?
It's good. Got a little kick to it.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.